Fear of physical science and chemical reactions. It's Hyper Studio time, guys. You've done this before. What are the three most abundant elements on the Earth? I'll give you a hint. One of them is oxygen. What are the four most abundant elements in the human body? I'll give you a hint. One of them is carbon. What are the three parts of an atom? I'm positive one is a proton. So, how many atoms are there in a molecule of calcium carbonate? Well, let's see. There's one carbon, one calcium, of course, and three oxygen. How many is that? So, how are elements grouped on the periodic table? By the number of, what was that in the nucleus? I know, it's positive, I'm sure of it. I think I know the answer. Yeah, I'm positive I know. What was it now? What element is more likely to be radioactive, plutonium or helium? So what is the density of water? Remember, mass divided by volume. So you have 1,000 milliliters of water, that's the volume, and you have 1,000 grams for a mass. I don't know, it's pretty difficult math if you ask me. Could it be M over V? Chemical change? Physical change? Well, remember the difference. A physical change, you can usually get back what you started with by a physical process. Chemical changes, well, they're a little more complex and usually can't get them back with physical means. So what's that table called anyway? So who do the noble gases react with anyway? Certainly not with any of those common elements, I suppose. So the byproduct of most chemical reactions is, I don't know, let me think about it. Is it hot in here or is it just me? I don't know. Here's a hint. Nothing is ever created or destroyed, at least not by ordinary means. Maybe if you had a nuclear bomb or something, I don't know. Well, do you remember Mr. Coffee? You know, Joe DiMaggio. What were those, coffee filters? I don't know. What does that have to do with what we're talking about anyway? I don't know. Well, think about it. Take the quiz at www.kia.com/quiz/842310.html capital AP /RAND equals 446396930. Take another quiz at www.kia.com/quiz/1032380.html. The end? Actually, there's one more card. An electron is arrested by the police. What's the charge?